Hi, it's Fiesta Row. Okay, so yeah. Okay, all signs, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, dadalian natin. Oo. So, yeah, syempre, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga pangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga evil eye items, sa ating love bracelet, kay granter, message lang po sa akin pong FB page for more info. And syempre, if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message lang po kayo sa kanya. And yeah, don't forget to follow. And syempre, sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay? So, yun lamang, madalian lang na spill. Okay. All signs. Yan. Okay, let's start with air signs. Okay. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, anong meron? Iniisip ko kung anong gagamitin kong card, pero ito na yung hawak ko. Okay, anyway. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong kailangang malaman ng mga air signs? Judgment in reversed. The Fool in reversed. Merong kailangang itigil dito. Merong kailangan ng ilimit. Okay? Na pwedeng nagbibigay sa inyo ng parang hadlang para gawin yung mga dapat pa. Okay? Kasi meron ditong parang nagbibigay hadlang. I don't know if this is like energy ng getting out of your comfort zone, parang ganyan. Okay? So may progress dapat na pwedeng mangyari kung gagawin mo 'yun. Okay, gagawin mong lumabas sa iyong comfort zone. Okay? Yeah, the Six of Swords in reversed. The Empress. Yeah, see, there's progress here. Okay. So, the Six of Swords, let's see, anong meron sa Six of Swords na naka-reversed? Okay, the Knight of Swords. Some of you, may mga plano kayo na parang hindi nagawa before. May chance na kung babalikan nyo yun at aaksyonan, may chance po ng progress. Okay? Some of you, there's a past person returning, okay, wanting to talk, wanting to communicate, and I think meron itong mga sabihin nating may ibibigay na magiging dahilan ng pagkakaroon ng progress. Okay? So there. Next, ano pa? Ano pa? Yeah, the Lovers. Some of you, there is a connection na pwedeng mangyari. Lalo na sa future. Okay? The Lovers. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. This is energy of marriage. Okay? Energy ng marriage to. Okay, a strong connection coming in for you, air sign. Pwedeng Gemini, pwedeng Libra. Okay, so yeah, the Nine of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, I think you're manifesting it. Okay, and I think ginagawan mo rin ng effort, no? Hindi ka lang nagma-manifest. I don't know if you're doing something new sa ngayon and ina-avoid nyo yung parang energy na parang nagiging needy kayo, no, pagdating sa love. Okay? So, some of you, pwedeng ang inuumpisahan ninyo is business, mga ganyan, something like may mga inaaral kayong bago, mga ganyan. So, nadadivert, no, yung energy mo doon sa pinagkakabisihan mo. Okay? So, I don't know kung ano yan. Pero yes, I'm seeing here na talagang may chance, no, na yung iba sa inyo is mag-say, I do. Yeah, in the near future. Okay? Yes. Yeah, I'm seeing here pregnancy rin. Okay? I'm seeing here pregnancy. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So, magmamanifest, ano? Magmamanifest yung something na yon, yung parang person mo. Oo, parang ganyan, okay? So, next is fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So, ano ba ang mensahe na kailangan mong marinig? Oo, mga fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sag. Okay, the King of Cups in reversed. Justice in reversed. Someone is hindi nagiging patas. So, pagdating sa isang connection. Okay, sa pagbibigay siguro ng kung anong dapat ibigay. Hindi sila nagiging fair. Lalo na sa emosyon, ha? Okay? Yeah, the lovers. This is connection. Okay, so may chance na yung iba sa inyo, meron ditong hindi nagiging tapat. Ha, meron ditong hindi nagiging tapat. I'm so sorry. Someone is, committing infidelity. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba rito, sabihin natin, nasa isang connection na hindi dapat. Na kailangan may maayos na dyan. Okay? Hindi ina-advise ni universe na ipagpatuloy nyo. No? Hindi po ina-advise ni universe na ipagpatuloy nyo yan. Okay? What else for fire signs? So, pwedeng Pisces, pwedeng Libra. Okay, judgment in reversed. Anong meron dyan sa judgment na naka-reversed? The Knight of Coins in reversed. Yung iba rito may mga babaguhin pagdating sa pamemera. Okay, kasi pwedeng hindi na ma-manage ng tama ang pamemera. Yeah, the Knight of Wands in reverse, walang pinatutunguhan. Walang nangyayaring improvement or leveling up maybe. Yeah, see? Ace of Swords in reverse and the Seven of Cups. Parang napupunta lang sa wala, no? So, siguro yung iba sa inyo may mga babaguhin. Strategy, maybe. Management, maybe. Okay? So, there. Okay, managing. Oo. Okay. The Five of Coins in reversed. Nako. The Knight of Wands in reverse. Sandali lang po ha. Sandali lang. Okay. So, yan. Umubo lang ako ng kauntian. So, Five of Coins in reverse and the Knight of Wands in reversed. Meron ditong player. Okay? Na parang kailangan ka lang talaga. Yes. Bakit meron ditong energy na parang alam nyo naman na walang patutunguhan pero bakit hindi nyo pa rin alisin? Or hindi nyo pa rin itigil? Yeah, see the Tower. Energy ito ng parang ang tawag dyan? Napoprolong lang, oo, yung separation. Parang pinagpapatuloy pa rin eh. Parang no choice. Oo, yeah, see, the Three of Coins. Some of you, pwedeng katrabaho mo to. Yeah. Some of you, mayroong third party involvement. Okay? Yeah, see? The Ace of Cups in reverse. Mapupunta lang to sa wala, masasayang lang to. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Huwag kayong magsayang, oo, ng energy, ng pera, ng kung ano man, in general. Huwag kayong magsayang sa taong hindi naman dapat. Ha? Imbis na mapunta ka dapat sa dapat, o diba? Wala, nasasayang lang. Nauubos yung oras mo. Okay? Nasasayang yung mga taon, buwan, 'di ba? Imbes na naibibigay mo sa karapat dapat, nasasayang lang sa walang kapararakan. Yes. Yeah. Meron ganito. Huwag kayo manghinayang. Ha? May mga nanghihinayang dito sa player. What? Nanghihinayang kayo sa player? Oh my God. Oo. Wake up. Grow up. Oo. Next. Water signs. Okay. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. So, anong meron? For water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Justice. Okay. So, in general, justice will be served. Okay. Justice. This is fairness, equality. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Wow. This is nice. Okay. So, some of you, nandyan yung parang, ikaw yung magiging, flavor of the month. Parang ganyan. Like, nandyan yung mga, ikaw palagi, yung parang, ang tawag dyan, papaboran, parang ganyan. Pero, lagi, oo, nandyan yung palagi kang papaboran, ikaw lagi yung parang magiging bida dyan, no? Pero hindi mo may iwasan dyan yung mga tao magsasabi ng hindi magaganda behind your back. Okay? Behind your back. See? Ito ka. Ito yung mga taong nagsasabi ng hindi magaganda. Okay? Ida-down ka. Tatawanan ka. Parang ipaparamdam sa'yo, you're not worth it. Pero, sila yun. Yes. Okay? Andyan lang yung inggit. Andyan lang yung kung ano man. Okay? Kanya-kanya yung opinion. Oo, lagi naman ganun eh. Yeah. Okay? Some of you, makakakuha ka ng ng energy ng parang something na pwedeng maipapanalo mo. Okay? Parang ganon. Yeah, you deserve this. Okay? You deserve this. Yeah, see the star. Yeah, this is nice. The star. Okay. The Eight of Swords universe. So, this is like, telling me na makakagaod-gaod na o makaka-move na, no, yung iba sa inyo, sana lahat, okay, na parang mawawala na yung stress, parang ganyan. The star is here, answered prayers, parang ganyan, no, may mga darating na parang hindi mo inaasahang tulong, mga ganyan. See? Strength. Okay, some of you, if you're praying for your health na maging okay, pwedeng mangyari yan. Okay, magkakaroon ng improvement. Okay, yeah, the Hierophant. Some of you, you will see clarity, answers, parang ganyan, para maialis na yung isip nyo sa kung anumang mga agam-agam. Okay, so yeah, this is an energy of healing rin. This is nice. Okay. What else for water signs? Yeah, the Hanged Man in reversed. Alam nyo, meron dito ako nakikitang may magpo-propose, water sign. May magpo-propose. Libra, Aqua, Pisces. May gagawa na ng action. Excuse me, what's with the Hanged Man in reversed? See, there's a proposal coming in. The Ace of Pentacles. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong mga hinihintay, pagdating sa pera, kung ano man, legalizations, visa, anything, nakikita ko pwedeng dumating, pwedeng makuha mo, pwedeng mahawakan mo na, parang ganon. Okay, and yun nga, specifically, someone will propose. Someone will. Okay, yeah. The Nine of Cups, this is wish fulfillment for the water signs. This is nice. Oo, yeah, see? Huwag kayong mag-alala. Gumagawa na si universe. Ha? Oo, pinoprocess na ni universe. Yung iba sa inyo nag-aalala. Ano na kaya mangyayari? Don't you worry, baby. Yeah, oo, okay. So, that's nice though. Okay. So, earth signs. Okay. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, so anong meron? Anong kailangang malaman ng mga earth signs? Oo. Sana love. Diba? Ayaw nyo ng love eh. Oo. Okay. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ano ba yan? Doon ba yan si Miss Pia? Ayaw nga namin yan. Gusto namin is pera, diba? Oo, opportunities. Yan. Let's see, ano bang kailangang malaman ng mga earth signs? Temperance in reversed. Ano naman ang inyong minamadali? Oo. Tingnan natin. The Two of Wands in reverse. Someone is being impatient. Okay? Sa mga decision. Yeah. The World. Meron ditong may minamadali para matapos. Ano yun? Iwasan nyo. Oo, iwasan nyo. Okay? See? The Three of Swords in reverse, the Eight of Wands in reverse. Baka mamaya sabihin natin parang saka mamadali, ulitin nyo. No? Dahil mali. Parang ganun. Yeah, see? The Eight of Coins in reverse. Baka mamaya ulitin nyo. Imbis na tapos na dapat, dahil naging pasensyosa kayo, kailangan magawa yung dapat, kailangan ganto, ganyan, ganto. Minadali, binaypass. Naku po, ulit ka na naman sa umpisa. 'Di ba? So, may sasayang, panahon, oras, pagod. Okay? So, meron ditong gusto ng umuwi. Opo. Meron na po ditong gustong umuwi nasa ibang bansa. Yes. I don't know why. Bakit gusto na niyang umuwi? Some of you, itong taong to may chance na pwedeng sabihin natin okay naman na yung kaperahan, yung mga naipon na. Parang ganon. Okay? So, some of you, this is a surprise na merong uuwi. Okay. What else? For earth signs. Yeah. Page of Swords. You have a stalker. You have a stalker. Someone is watching you like a hawk. Earth signs. Okay, what's with the Page of Swords in reverse? The Seven of Cups. This person likes you. Yeah. Someone is comparing you sa iba. Meron ditong pagkukumpara akong nakukuha. Okay? Yeah. I don't know if this person is karelasyon mo. This person is sabihin nating interested. Interested siya sa'yo. Pero may mga agam-agam, may mga guni-guni. Guni-guni. Oo, may mga gumugulo pa sa utak ng taong to. Why? Why the Page of Swords in reverse? Anong meron? The Nine of Coins. Okay, so some of them pwedeng nai-intimidate sila. So maybe some of them pwedeng kinukumpara nila yung sarili nila sa'yo. Okay? Sa kung ano man. Kaperahan man, kung ano man. Okay? Some of them, they're too young for you. They're too young. Yeah, see? The Fool. Na-intimidate, natatakot. Yeah. Okay? Trying na, ano bang meron? Yeah, this person likes you. See, the Nine of Coins. They're attracted. May pagkukumpara ako nakukuha sa kanila eh. May hiya. See, na-intimidate So, someone is, may nagkaka-crush sa'yo. Yeah, someone younger. Earth, air, water. Okay. So, what else? Some of you, may parating ditong energy ng pera. Ayan, diba? Gusto mo yan. Oo. Pera. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, ito I'm channeling. May mga pipirmahan na parang cheque. Okay? So, what else for earth signs? The Hermit in reversed. So, what's that? Parang meron ditong energy na parang hindi niya malaman kung anong gagawin, hindi niya malaman, like para siyang nagda-drive sa isang daan na walang ilaw at gabi, parang ganon. Okay? Oo. So ano to? The Hermit in reversed. Someone is sad din. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So, the Moon. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi nyo malaman kung paano nyo i-grow yung pera. No? Oo. Yung iba naman dito is hindi malaman kung kailangan ko ba na magkaroon ng new beginning or kumonek uli sa kanya. Or, yeah, parang ganyan. Someone is confused. Okay? Let's see. The Hermit. Yeah. Meron ditong kailangan ng sagot. Parang ganyan. May nangangailangan na ng sagot. Yeah. Kaso nga lang, yun nga, gulong-gulo. Hindi alam, papaano ba. Parang ganon. The Hermit in reverse. Yeah, the Five of Coins in reverse. Someone needs you. Merong nangangailangan din ng tulong pinansyal. Okay? So, maybe, pwedeng kayo makapagbigay si the Devil. O, diba? Some of you, pwedeng Capricorn ang mga ngailangan ng tulong, or pwedeng kay Capricorn hihingi ng tulong. O may hihingi ng tulong dito. Someone na parang nasa dark kemerut ng buhay. Okay? So, yeah. So, sana, I'm seeing you na makakapagbigay ka naman. No? Makakapagbigay ka ng tulong financially. Okay? Yeah. Someone's thinking of you a lot, and yeah, they have this talagang emotion for you. They love you. I don't know who. Okay, I don't know who, pero this is someone younger. They're no contact sa inyo, hindi sila nakikipag-usap. They're too silent, quiet. Okay, but yeah, they're like acting cool. Okay, acting cool and collected. Okay. So there, yeah, yun ang aking nakikita for all signs. Again, yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.